Hey, what's going on? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about looking for the right photographer to shoot your commercial and theatrical or dramatic headshots. So let's get into it. One of the first things I believe you should make sure and do is in your communication with an interested photographer, you should use the right language, use the right verbiage. In other words, you should ask them or let them know specifically that, hey, I'm looking to shoot a commercial headshot and theatrical or dramatic headshot. That way, you all will be on the same page because there are so many different kinds of headshots out there, corporate headshots, lifestyle headshots. So you just want to make sure that you're clear and that the photographer is clear on what you need or what you're looking for. One of the other things is ask the photographer for a link to their gallery, or if they don't have a link to their gallery, if they don't have like a website, ask to see examples of their work. So you can see specifically examples of headshots that they have taken of others. So you can see if their style of photography is aligned to what you're looking for or what you need at that time. Also, in looking at their examples of headshots, look at to see if there are people that they have shot with your similar skin tone or skin color. For example, as you can tell, I am light brown or brown skinned. And so when I'm looking for a photographer to do my headshots or to do my shots, I want to look through examples of their work to see, okay, well, have you shot brown skinned people or light brown skinned people to see if you see the lighting, because lighting doesn't work for every skin tone. The same lighting doesn't work for every skin tone. So I want to see examples of me and a representation of my skin tone to see if this photographer can do a great job, a quality job in shooting me with my skin tone, with my skin color. Also, let's say this is their first time shooting headshots. Let's say you are like their guinea pig, like you are the first actor or first model that they are going to do headshots for. And let's say it's your first time as well doing headshots. And so what I would do, I would Google examples of headshots to show them. So again, according to your skin tone or skin color, look for some examples. If you're male or if you're female, look for examples of headshots that pop to you, that look great, that are quality, and send them to the photographer and say, hey, this is what I'm aiming for. This is what I'm looking for. So again, you all could be on the same page in preparation for that photo shoot, because this is an investment. If you think about it like a business, your headshots are your business cards. That's the first impression that you make to any client, any agency, any casting director, whoever sees your headshots in the industry. They get a first impression off of you by your headshot. So you want to make sure that you are making a wise decision, a wise investment. So that's why you want to do research. And again, if it's their first time, if it's your first time, Google examples of headshots that you can send them so you can let them know, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm going for. The other thing is I would use photographers that specialize in shooting actors and models. I would stay away from like the big portrait studios, like, where everybody goes to get their Christmas cards done. Not to say that they can't do it, but typically the best quality headshots or industry standard headshots will come from photographers that specialize or that are going to specialize. Their goal is to specialize in shooting actors and models. Lastly, you don't have to look that far because North Georgia Media, NGM for short, they have a dynamic duo, Rob and Ali Mamian, creative team that is excellent. that is amazing. They've done my headshots, they've done lifestyle shots too for me as well. Please reach out to them, set up a photo shoot. They know what they're doing. They have decades of experience under their belt shooting actors and models. I hope this video has helped you. You all take care and have a great time.